Hello, Dr. DeRose here. It's day 13, and we're filming some additional footage to go along with water out. If you can't tell by any of the backroom noise, I'm actually at a park in the city of Fort Wayne, Indiana, and they've got a splash pad. We'll show you some still shots of that splash pad. There are kids coming from all over on a hot day trying to cool off with hydrotherapy, external use of water. Now, I know that might not be what you're thinking about if you've got health issues, but honestly, a serious health issue can be, well, you guessed it, hyperthermia. You can get heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and getting out in cool water in a pool, in a lake, all of these things can make a difference for you. They can be a help to you. So although we might be talking in our daily videos about contrast hydrotherapy for diabetes, we may be talking about something to help joint problems. Well, even if you're healthy, if you're dealing with the heat, external use of water can be not only helpful, but theoretically life-saving. I'm Dr. David DeRose. That's an insight for day 13 of 30 Days to Better Health. We'll look forward to seeing you on day 14 as well.